Dear business partners, we appreciate your cooperation and partnership during these unprecedented times, as well as the willingness to work together to meet consumer demands. General Mills assures you that all the Pillsbury products that are delivered to your facility are manufactured at General Mills approved locations. And we maintain high-level food safety and hygiene standards at our facilities across the supply chain. We would like to share some good practices around food safety and hygiene which can be useful and important to follow. Best practices for personal hygiene. Everyone should take care of their personal hygiene. Bathe daily, cut your nails properly, trim your hair and shave. Everyone working at the store should ensure that the uniforms, headgears, caps, face masks and gloves they wear are clean. Hand wash for a minimum of 20 seconds as per WHO guidelines, preferably followed by sanitization with 70% alcohol or equivalent. Encourage people to stay at home if they are showing symptoms of fever, cough or breathlessness. Best practices for the counter area at bakery stores. Train employees on risk factors, safe food handling, social distancing and other protective behaviors. Check temperature of employees, staff and visitors at the entrance. Any individual showing symptoms should be encouraged to stay at home and sent to a health facility if necessary. Be alert to these early symptoms: fever, dry cough, shortness of breath before allowing self or others to work in premises. Make hand wash or sanitation facility at the entrance of the bakery. Clean and disinfect all surfaces like counters, display area, working tables, door handles, phone, computer or laptop, etc. frequently. Disinfect high contact points such as card machines, cutters and spatulas repeatedly after every use. Clean storage and display facility like fridge, refrigerator thoroughly inside out. Clean and disinfect toilets and washrooms after every shift using water and detergent followed by disinfectants. Best practices for the kitchen area at bakery stores. Limit the number of staff and space out the food preparation area. Maintain a gap of at least 1 meter between two members. Thoroughly clean and sanitize the area, utensils and equipment like weighing balance, mixer blades, mixer bowls, trays, knives, working table, spatulas, etc. after every use. Follow these steps for cleaning and sanitization. 1. Preparation. Rinse with warm potable water. 2. Cleaning. Clean with detergent, then rinse again. 3. Sanitization. Apply hot water or sanitizer for at least 2 minutes. 4. Air drying. Allow area and equipment to dry. Food handlers must use tongs, scrapers and other utensils to prevent direct contact with the ingredient and products. Ingredient or product storage facility like fridge or freezers, trays, shelves, etc. should be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized daily. Keep separate waste bins for food and non-food items. Throw PPEs like masks, hand gloves, hairnets, etc. in separate covered waste bins. Best practices for food delivery. Delivery person must cover his face with a clean mask appropriately. Use hand sanitizer before the pickup and after the delivery. Avoid contact with common touch points like doorbell, door handles, etc. Encourage customers to use contactless payment modes. Sanitize card machine after every use. For food deliveries, communicate to customers and leave packages outside the door or maintain a gap of at least 1 meter from the customers. Frequently clean and sanitize containers or bags used for food delivery. best practices for food transportation and distribution. Drivers, loaders, and other staff should maintain high standards of personal hygiene. Anyone displaying flu-like symptoms should not be allowed to handle the transportation and delivery of food. Maintain distancing during loading and unloading. Hand washing material and sanitizer bottle should be fixed in the driver's cabin. Carriers or stands used for storage of food products should be cleaned and sanitized regularly. Clean and sanitize delivery or transport vehicles regularly. Use dedicated vehicles for food delivery and distribution. Stay healthy, stay safe.